my name is Laura Salazar. I'm an application engineer here at ASSA ABLOY. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the handing on a Sargent 8272 Electrified Mortise Lock set. Before we start, it's important to know how the 8272 differs from an 8270. Now on a Sargent 8270, when you apply power, it locks only the outside lever. It uses a red locking slide, so when you change the handing, you must position the red slide on the secure side of the door and rotate the latch 180 degrees. The Sargent 8272 is different. When power is applied, it locks both levers, so there is no red locking slide. Because of that, you do not need to move the slide. You only need to rotate the latch to change the handing. To rotate the latch bolt, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver. We're going to insert it in the spade-shaped slot and rotate the screwdriver 90 degrees to push the latch out until the back of the latch clears the lock front. Rotate the latch 180 degrees. The latch will then re-enter the lock body. And that's how you change the handing on a Sargent 8272 Electrified Mortise Lock set. For more information or assistance, please give us a call at 1-800-810-9473 or contact us via email at support.aehg@assaabloy.com. Thank you.